Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object using VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose a video based. Okay, and I'm going to select video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose this album, and I'm going to remove object from this video. Okay, I'm gonna add the video to my project. Alright, and wait guys, I'm going to remove the ending. Okay, and for instance, I'm going to remove this text from my video. If we want to remove something, we need to duplicate our video first. I'm going to tap on my video and then I'm going to select duplicate and I'm going to make it as an overlay. So here I'm going to tap on PIP track. Wait, I'm going to place this pointer here and select PIP track. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the fit option to fit the screen. All right, and we're going to put mask on the second video. We're gonna go to the mask, tap on the mask here, and I'm going to choose the rectangle mask. Okay, then we can adjust the size of the mask. And you can take another part of your video to cover the unwanted object. Okay, and I think this part will be suitable to cover it. Click on the check mark and you can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object like this. Okay, and as you can see that the text has been removed from my video, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment. We can open up the filter and then select adjust, and here we can adjust the brightness. I'm going to increase the brightness just a little bit. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from a video using VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.